Where is the edge of the solar system? Hello everyone, this is a space channel. Many people believe that there are 8 planets in the solar system and the dwarf planet Pluto. This is certainly true, but the solar system does not end there, and there are many more interesting objects beyond Pluto's orbit. But if Pluto's orbit is not the limit, then where is the edge of the solar system? Let's figure it out together. What is beyond Pluto's orbit? In 1930, when Clyde Gumbel discovered Pluto, some theorists wondered if there might be planets or other space bodies beyond Pluto's orbit. Nowadays, telescopes such as Pan-STARRS and the upcoming Vera Rubin telescope scan the entire starry sky in hopes of finding at least something in the Kuiper belt. It is located beyond the orbit of Neptune and is an asteroid belt that contains many small space bodies, among which Pluto is located. Often the Kuiper belt is confused with the Oort cloud, but the Oort cloud is much more distant from the Sun and contains more comet-like bodies. It is believed that the Kuiper belt is a remnant left, tautology, after the formation of the solar system. And what about the Oort cloud? Its existence, unfortunately, is still only hypothetical. But theorists believe that it is located at a distance of 50 to 100 astronomical units from the Sun. But even this is not the edge of the solar system. Heliosphere and Gill sphere. To answer the question where exactly the solar system ends, we need to understand where the outer limit of the solar wind is and where the solar gravity ends. The zone that is under the constant influence of the solar wind is called the heliosphere. The boundary of the heliosphere is called the heliopause. It is located at the distance of about 100 astronomical units from the Sun. There the solar plasma flow is balanced by the magnetic pressure of the interstellar medium. At a distance of 60–70 astronomical units from the Sun, the solar wind begins to slow down due to interaction with interstellar space, and when it reaches a distance of about 100 astronomical units, it almost completely stops. The Sun's gravity dominates over even greater distances. Some scientists believe that the Gill sphere, that is, the sphere dominated by the gravitational influence of the Sun, stretches for 125,000 astronomical units, or about 2 light years. This is the greatest distance at which the Sun can hold objects. Therefore, this distance can be called the full-fledged edge of the solar system. However, the orbits at the very edge of the Gill sphere will not be stable. The maximum distance at which objects can have a stable orbit is 70% of the radius of the Gill sphere. That is about 1.4 light years, and according to the smallest estimates, this distance is even half as much. Spacecrafts that are on the edge of the solar system. The well-known American spacecrafts Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 left the Earth back in 1977 to explore the giant planets. In 2012, Voyager 1 went beyond the heliosphere, and in December 2018, Voyager 2 did the same. But despite this, Voyager 2 still sends signals to Earth. In addition to well-known Voyagers, other spacecraft also operate the edge of the solar system, such as Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, and New Horizons. These devices will also eventually leave the solar system and go into interstellar space. Another interesting fact is that in a few tens of thousands of years, probes can meet with other stars. For example, probes Voyager 1, Voyager 2 and Pioneer 11 will meet with Proxima Centauri, and Pioneer 10 with a small red dwarf Ross 248. To summarize, it turns out that the edge of the solar system is the place where the gravity of the Sun ends, that is, the edge of the Gill sphere. And scientists believe that the geosphere stretches for 125,000 astronomical units. To somehow fit these scales in your head, imagine that there is only one astronomical unit from the Earth to the Sun, and here 125,000. Well, that's all I have. Do not forget to take your passport when crossing the border of the solar system. Glory to Ukraine!